There's been a big arrest that has taken place in Kalyan in Maharashtra, and that's the sculptor of the Shivaji statue, the Chhatrapati Shivaji statue that had collapsed, remember, and led to a huge outrage because it was also a very high-profile inauguration when it had happened. And now we are told that the sculptor has been taken in custody. Cops had issued a lookout notice on the sculptor by the name of Jaideep, and the reason that appears to be coming on the sculptor is because it was poor quality material that was used. And the Shivaji statue, remember, is not just an ordinary statue. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj has been a matter of pride, sentiment, history, while for the whole country, but specifically for the people of Maharashtra.
हिरासत में लिया ऐसा बोलना उचित नहीं होगा, क्योंकि उनके परिवार वालों ने और हमने चर्चा विमर्श करने के पश्चात हमने ये तय किया था कि ये मामला काफी गर्मागर्मी हो चुकी है। जो राजकीय जो दल है वो उसमें बहुत कुछ गलत आरोप कर रहे हैं, उनका खुद का फायदा करना चाहते हैं ये लोग, और वातावरण भी बहुत खराब है। अभी गणपति आ रहे हैं, महाराष्ट्र का जो सन है बहुत अच्छा, बहुत बड़ा त्योहार है, तो ये सब देखते हुए ये उचित होगा कि अगर वो सरेंडर करे और पुलिस जो एजेंसी है उनके साथ अगर सहकार करे वो, तो वो उचित रहेगा। वो हिसाब से हमने उसको हाजिर होने के लिए हमने संदेशा भेजा और वो हिसाब से आज शाम को वो हाजिर हो चुका है।
I want to now bring in Vidya on the latest on this. Vidya, good morning. I remember the first day when we had this conversation and you were bringing us this report. There was such a outrage over it. There was a political showdown, but a lot of uncertainty of what happened. Why do you think the sculptor himself has been taken in custody? Because initially, remember, the reason coming was that there has been rainfall, there have been strong winds.
Well, if you remember, of course, there was utter an outrage as to how this contract had really gone to Aapte about his alleged links with the ruling party in Maharashtra, and why he hails from Kalyan, which is a constituency in Thane, which is belongs to the Shinde family, and that's one of the reasons why it was being said that it was this political connection because of which he's been gotten this entire contract in the first place. And that's one of these reasons why there was a political, question brewing as to why is it that Aapte was not being arrested? Was he still being given political protection? So there were no voices that were being raised, and just to put that down now, this entire arrest, especially when, if you remember, people are asking if this is actually a surrender or an arrest. But as of now, he has been taken into custody and will be produced in court.
All right, Vidya, thank you very much for this update coming in. But this raises a bigger question as much about how can one get away using any sort of material, specifically on such important, specifically statues coming in from Maharashtra. Thank you very much, Vidya.